Meaning of incuriously.
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 Incuriously. The term incuriously refers to a lack of curiosity or interest in something. When someone behaves incuriously, they are displaying disinterest, apathy, or indifference toward a particular subject or issue. This type of behavior can result in missed opportunities for personal growth and development, as well as hinder effective communication and understanding between individuals. Additionally, incuriosity can lead to stagnation and lack of intellectual stimulation, which can negatively impact one's mental well-being over time. Thus, it is important to foster a sense of curiosity and engagement with the world around us in order to lead a fulfilling life.